say that that's highlighter on my top lip, but that is sweat, my friends. It is a hot day today, and tomorrow's meant to be even warmer. It's September. Move on, son. Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I thought I would take you through how I take off my makeup and get ready for bed, basically. Unless I've come home from a heavy night out, in which case my makeup removal routine consists of a pint of water, 2 Panadol and my pillowcase. We've all done it. If anyone is wondering, I am drinking this at the moment, which is doing wonders for my anxiety levels. So it's Twinings Relaxing Chamomile and Spearmint Herbal Tea. If you're struggling with anxiety, or you can't sleep, or you just can't get your brain to shut off, which is what I'm having problems with, this really helps. If you find herbal teas a little bit too bitter, try a little bit of honey, like half a teaspoon or something like that. It really does make a difference. If you like this makeup look that I'm wearing right now, a tutorial on how I achieved it will be going up next week, so make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss it. So today's an exciting one because we get to unbox and try out something new. So Coco and Eve and Sand and Sky have actually teamed up together and did a bundle for their hair mask and their face mask at a discounted price, which I went ahead and treated myself with. Now I'm not sure if they're doing this bundle anymore, but I'll have a look and pop it in the description box below. If they're not, then I'll just pop the links for both products in the description box and you can check that out. So that's enough chit chat, let's get into it. So the first product is by Coco and Eve. Now I am not actually going to be testing this out today. I think I'm going to save it for like a spa self-care day video. So watch this space. But I'll show you it anyway. So part of the bundle offer was this really cute headband by Coco and Eve, which I shall be wearing in a sec. And the hair mask comes in a really pretty box. And inside it says, "We're coconuts about hair." That's cute. The whole ordering process, from choosing, paying, and waiting for shipping, was really good. They keep you updated with emails, dispatch dates, delivery dates, and it actually arrived pretty quickly. So within a few days, it came. It actually arrived a while ago, but I've been saving it for this video, so I'm way too excited for this. This is a little pot of the Coco and Eve hair mask. It is the Like a Virgin Super Nourishing Coconut and Fig Hair Mask. Look at the little palm tree on the lid. Oh my god. This isn't the usual like over sickly sweet coconut smell. It really does smell like if you booked a hair treatment or a head massage at a spa. It's that. I cannot wait to use this. I'm gonna have to film that video ASAP because my hair really needs this right now. And you also get a cute little hairbrush with the Coco and Eve logo on there. What do they call this? Tangle Tamer brush with 2-tiered bristle technology. Fancy. Video pending. So this is what we're going to be trying today. It's an Australian pink clay mask. Porefining face mask by Sand and Sky. And with that you also get a really cute brush to apply it with, a little booklet telling you all about it. Again, such nice packaging. That is a really sturdy, heavy pot. It feels expensive and I've not even opened it yet. ASMR. Wow. Oh wow. It's got like a marzipan smell. Like you can definitely smell the clay in there, but like with a shot of amaretto. So once we get this makeup off, it's going on my face. She cute. I might buy myself a headband. Have I lost it? So for a cleanser, I'm going to use the Glow Cleansing Stick by Boots. This is one of their own brands. It smells so nice. It smells like cucumber. I've used this a lot, as you can probably tell. The logo's kind of coming off. But this was only £4 and it's a really good cleansing stick. Now all I do, just start rolling it onto my face in circular motions, really covering every part of my face. in this. This is definitely a glow down video. We're gonna look all shades of crazy. Now I'm not gonna take it into my brows today. Normally I would, but I've just paid for them, do you know what I mean? I don't really want them coming off yet. Bye bye lipstick. So next, with wet hands, all I do is just massage the product into my skin, into the makeup, to really help lift it up and off my skin. Now I actually take my eye makeup off with another product, so I just go in with my face first. So I'm just going to remove that with some reusable makeup pads. So to remove my eye makeup, I'm going to use the Double Effect Makeup Remover for eyes and sensitive areas by Koeshi. Okay. So just soak 2 large cotton pads with that and just start wiping. Usually I like to use a similar product by Nivea, so that works really well without having to rub your eyelashes out. But this one feels okay. This one feels less oily than the Nivea one and the one by Clinique. Definitely feels more like a micellar water. So just to help to get rid of any other makeup that I might have missed during cleansing, I'm going to use the Nivea Micellar Skin Breathe Micellar Water for face, eyes and lips. So again, just soaking 2 large cotton pads for this. So I don't know about anybody else, my lips get really dry after I use a lipstick, even if it's a moisturizing lipstick. So I just like to go in with a lip scrub, and this is the Honey Lip Scrub from Lush. It is time. Look at the tiny little cute thing. So excited to finally try this. So I'm just going to apply it evenly over my skin using the brush and leave that on for 10 minutes. And for oily or combination skin, you can use this 2 to 3 times a week. For dry or sensitive skin, 1 to 2 times a week. So straight away, as I was putting it on my skin, it feels really cold and cooling. You could probably even put this in the fridge. It is a little bit sensitive on my top lip, nothing too crazy. It just feels like it's working, like it's doing something, which I'm all for because this wasn't cheap. So I'm back and that has been on about 10 minutes now. It's definitely starting to crack. It feels really tight, it feels absolutely stuck to my face. You'll see how easily this comes off. Still a bit wet on my cheeks, but we're gonna go ahead and take it off now. So I'm gonna be using 2 damp reusable cotton pads again. To remove this, just soaking them in some warm water. Oh, this comes off really easily. You don't need to scrub or anything. Wow. I don't know if you can see, but I have absolutely 0 open pores on my face now. I know it said Porefining, but those pores are shut. They ain't opening for nobody. My skin does feel like it could do with a little bit of moisturizer right now. Like, my skin is quite dry anyway, so I won't be using this mask more than twice a week, I don't think. But my skin feels really soft, like quite tight as well. And like I said, my pores are just gone. New favorite product. So to get some moisture back into my skin, I'm going to be trying out the Eye Boost Cream by Glossybox's new skincare range. This is a lightweight, fast absorbing formula that reduces the appearance of dark circles and depuffs your under eye area. That feels really thick and nice. I quite like that. And it's got a really nice smell to it as well. It smells like sweets. So next we're actually going to go in with another mask. This is the Dr. Botanicals Pomegranate Superfood Regenerating Sleeping Mask. Now this is a really good night mask. I have been loving using this. In fact, I'm probably nearly out. But it's really thick, really moisturizing, and all you do is just put a thin layer, leave it overnight, wash it off in the morning, and it leaves your skin feeling really moisturized and really plump. So last thing, I'm just going to moisturize my lips with a lip balm by Folklore, and this is in Wild Strawberry. The packaging is so cute and it just smells delicious. I definitely love the results of that face mask. And also, I had a rash around the corners of my mouth from getting my top lip waxed, which normally is fine, but I then had to spend quite a while wearing a face mask, which caused a little bit of a rash, and that mask seems to have calmed it right down. And the little brush is so handy to use with the mask as well. I'll probably use this a lot with other face masks as well. So that is it for my makeup removal and little mini skincare routine. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give the video a like. Please subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!